Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, this is the project of ETE, Emerging Trends in Electronics. The topic of this project is password door lock system using Arduino. This project is done under the guidance of Professor Sachin Tupesar. The aim of this project is to develop password door lock system using Arduino. What is password door lock system using Arduino? In this project, we will design the password-based security system using Arduino and keypad. As thefts are increasing day by day, security is becoming a major concern nowadays. So, a digital code lock can secure our home or locker easily. It will open your door only when the right password is entered. We are developing the most efficient password-protected door lock system using Arduino and keypad. When you enter the correct 4-digit password, the door is opened for 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds, LCD displays will show the time is up and door will close automatically. Currently, the default password is 1234, which you can change in the programming. We can even select a password consisting of 5 digits. If a wrong password is entered, the LCD display will show wrong password. This is the circuit diagram of our system. First, we use the main controller, which is Arduino Uno R3. Second, we use 4x4 matrix keypad for entering the password. Third, we use 16x2 LCD display for showing the operations. And last, we use a servo motor which is connected to the door for opening and closing the door. Now, we have to develop our system. So we use an online simulator which is Tinkercad. So search on Google Tinkercad. Click on first link. Now click on circuits and after that click on create new circuit. Now here is the window where we have to design our system. So first we see what we component need. First is Arduino Uno R3. Second, LCD display 6x2. Third, keypad matrix 4x4. Fourth, positional micro server. Fifth, 220 ohms resistor. Sixth, 1 kilo ohm resistor. So this is the component which we require to design our system. Now we start to develop our system. So first we take the main controller, which is Arduino Uno R3. Now after that we take an LCD display 16x2. Now we take an keypad 4x4 matrix and at last we take the servo motor. Now we have to adjust all the components for the connection. Now first we connect keypad to Arduino. So first we connect row 1 with digital pin 0 and the color of this wire is black. Now we connect row 2 with digital pin 1 and the color of this wire is red. Now we connect row 3 with digital pin 2 and the color is orange. Now we connect row 4 with digital pin 3 and the color is green. Now we connect column 1 with digital pin 4 and the color is light blue. Now we connect column 2 with digital pin 5 and color is blue. Now we connect column 3 with digital pin 6 and color of this wire is yellow. Now we connect column 4 with digital pin 7 and color of this wire is brown. Here the connection of keypad with Arduino is completely done. Now after the connection of keypad with Arduino, we will connect servo motor with the Arduino. So first the signal connection with digital pin 10. And the color of this wire is yellow. Now we connect the power cable with 5-volt pin and the color of this is red. After that the ground connection is connected with ground connection of Arduino and the color is black. Now here the keypad connection and servo motor connection is done properly. Now we have to upload the code for simulation. So first we see the code. So this is the code written for this system. In this system we define whenever we start the system, display will show protected door loading. After loading, display shows enter password. The default password is 4-digit password, which is 1234. We can change this password with 5-digit password in program. After entering correct password, door get open and display shows door is open. After 5 seconds, display shows time is up and door get closed automatically. If we put wrong password, display will show wrong password. Now we have to copy this code and upload on the simulator. Now we have to upload the code on the system. First, click on code, select the text, click on continue. Here is the default code. So here we have to upload our system code. Now here we have to paste our code. Here we have pasted our code. So recheck once again. After rechecking, click on code. Now for starting the simulation, click on start simulation. Now, as per the coding, the display shows protected door loading. Now here, after loading, the display shows enter password. To open the door, we have to enter the correct password, so the motor get rotate and door get open. So we put the default password, which is 1234. After entering the correct password, motor get rotate and door get open and display shows door is open. Now it wait for 5 seconds. After waiting 5 seconds, motor rotates and door get closed automatically and display shows enter password. Now we try to enter wrong password. So here display shows wrong password after entering the wrong password. Here we can see our password door lock system using Arduino is running properly. Our group members are Adit Kumbhar, Nafis Khan, Akash Tejewad and Harshada Chavan.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.